Are you wondering how to make this Spotify frame using your Cricut? I will show you how for as little as $2 and about 30 minutes of your time. All you need is a frame of your choice. I use this Dollar Tree frame, some permanent black vinyl, some optional red vinyl, and a photograph of your choice. Let's get started in Cricut Design Space.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Spotify frame. I have done the initial work for you, and this is the original outline. The next thing we need to do now is add the Spotify code here, the artist and title of the song, along with customizing with the names if you choose. So the next step in this is we want to open Spotify. If you do not have a Spotify account, it is free and easy to sign up. You just go to spotify.com. Then the next thing you want to do is type in the search area the song that you want to choose and the author if it doesn't come up. Once you find the song that you want to find the three dots next to it. If you find the song down here, you can see the three dots are here. So once you click on the three dots, you want to click on Share, and then at the very bottom it says Copy Spotify URI. Then you want to open your search engine, and you want to go to spotifycodes.com. And down in this search engine, you want to just say Command V if you're on a Mac or Control V if you're on a PC, and say Get Spotify Code. And now we're ready for the next step. So here is the song and the artist along with the Spotify code. So the next thing we're going to do is take a screenshot of the code specifically, along with the screenshot of just the title and the author. To do that on a Mac, you do Command-Shift-5. And then you want to just narrow the window here, and then click Capture. And then you can do the same thing down here, and move the square, and click Capture. Now we're ready to open Design Space again. Then you want to click on Upload and say Upload Image and browse. My screenshots are on my desktop, so I make sure desktop is highlighted, and then I usually scroll to the bottom, and that one, we'll do this one first, and you want to click on Open. Go ahead and, I believe any of them will work, but I just usually go to Complex, hit Continue. Now the next step, all we need to do now is erase all the black. So all you do is click on the black, which is just 4 clicks. And then I hit Preview just to make sure everything was erased okay, and then hit Continue. You want to make sure Save and Cut is highlighted, and then hit Save. Then the next one you want to do is the name and title. So I'm going to go ahead and find this song and author that I want. Go ahead and hit Complex. I'm going to zoom in for this one a little bit. And again, you want to erase all of the white. And so you want to get in between all of the letters. And for some reason the S's on here don't erase well. And then you want to hit Preview and make sure that you didn't miss any. And then hit Continue, Save as Cut Image, and Save. Now you just click on the both of those and say Insert Image. And then they will be attached together if you insert them together. All you need to do is take your mouse and click away from it, and then drag the song title and author down, and maybe resize that slightly to fit. And then the Spotify code goes up here. So again, you want to just resize that to fit the width. And there you go. If you choose to customize your frame, you can just click the text and resize and choose a font that you like, and choose resize that to kind of fit into here, and then your frame should line up perfectly. Make sure you measure your frame. I found the frame that I used at the Dollar Tree, and it's an 8x10, so I made sure that my image, if I highlight all of it, as you can see here, it's 10 inches here, and it's more narrow, but I can't go any further than that. So I made sure that I went to the fullest, to 10. And I also chose not to cut the frame out. It is there if you choose. If you do not want that, then go ahead and hide that and it will not print. And now the next thing you do is click on Make It. I also went ahead and made the heart red to stand out more. If you choose to make it all black, all you need to do is click on the heart and then click on the black button before you say Make It, and it will all be black. And then you're ready to print. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and making this adorable Spotify frame for only $2. Please let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this. Thank you.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up. Mommy, there's no music.